Hi, today I will show you how to fade in / out in Premiere Pro. First of all, you need to drag a video to your timeline. To fade in, you have to expand the video transitions folder, then expand the dissolve folder. Now you simply drag cross dissolve to your start of the clip. To fade out, you have to do the same thing, but drag the cross dissolve to the end of your video. To change the speed of your fade, simply drag the end of the transition to adjust it. I hope I helped you get the result you wanted. Don't forget that if you want more content like this, you can subscribe to the channel.